More bad news for former President Trump. Today, a Manhattan federal judge rejected the former president's request for a new trial in the Jean Carroll case. A jury awarded her $5 million in damages last May after finding Trump liable for sexually abusing and defaming her. Lucas Tomlinson reports.
Facing the possibility of a third indictment, former President Trump is forging ahead.
I didn't know practically what a subpoena was and grand juries and all of this. Now I'm like becoming an expert. I have no choice because we have to. It's a disgrace.
Addressing a packed crowd of supporters in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Trump downplayed his legal challenges after announcing he's the target of a federal grand jury investigation into his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election.
This appears to be a political witch hunt, and the more indictments that keep getting returned, the more that is being solidified in the eyes of the public.
Following news of his previous indictments, the former president saw a bump in support. But a new University of New Hampshire poll shows Trump's lead has shrunk over Florida Governor Ron DeSantis in the key primary state. Still, his closest rival coming to his defense.
This country is going down the road of criminalizing political differences, and I think that's wrong.
But other GOP hopefuls are trying to cut into Trump's lead.
The rest of this primary election is going to be, in reference to Trump, is going to be about lawsuits. We can't keep dealing with this drama.
Lawmakers on the left are calling the move appropriate.
The president was a central figure in an effort to overturn an election, an effort to interfere with a peaceful transfer of power for the first time in our history. And if anyone else had done the things he did, they would be under investigation.
At this point, it remains unclear how much longer this latest investigation will take and what charges Trump could potentially face. In Washington, Lucas Tomlinson, Fox 32, Chicago.